Hello, and welcome to the Psychometrics Canada online testing platform. In this video, we will go over user creation, user management, how to generate reports for individual users, and how to set up batch report generation. As an administrator, you can allow users to create their own accounts, or choose to create all the user accounts yourself. If you allow users to create their own accounts, a "I'm a new user" button will appear on the user login page. Otherwise, users will have to wait for you to send them a username and password before taking a test. This option can be set in portal settings. In this video, we will be creating our own users. So let's create our first user. Assign a test for her to take and then generate a report. Begin by logging into your administration portal. Under Users, select Create User Account. Enter in the user's details. An email address is optional, but if you want to quickly send your user their login details, then you should enter it as well. Click Create New User when done. We have now successfully created our first user account. We are now shown their user details page. This is where we can edit our users' details, assign them tests, view and generate their reports, email them their login credentials, and change their password. Going down the user details, we see an auto login URL. If you ever want to log in as your user to confirm that test they have available, you may click on Login as this user. The user details page will also display all groups this user belongs to and any other relevant information you wish to enter. Now, let's assign our new user some tests to take. Click on Assign Test. Here you will be given a list of all tests you can assign to your new user. You can receive more information about a test by hovering over the information icon. To assign a test, simply check the checkbox. You will see a confirmation message appear above that says Test has been assigned. To unassign, simply uncheck the checkbox. Now that we have assigned the test we want our user to take, we will need to send that user their account information. Click on Send User Email. This form will be pre-populated with the user's account information. Edit the email with any additional instructions you wish to provide and click on Email Account Information now. We have successfully created a new user, assigned them tests, and have sent them their account credentials. Now we just wait for the user to complete their test. User management and report generation. Now we will see how to view and manage our users and how to generate a report. To view your users, click on the Users menu or click on the View Users submenu under Menu. We can view users by test they have completed, by the date which they were created, or by their user ID. To just view all the users you have, set Restricted by Test Completed to No Restriction and Time Frame to No Restriction, and click Find Users. To view and generate a report for a user, click on the user's ID or name. To change or view personal information about a user, click on User Details. Let's generate our first report. Click on the user ID to view the reports they have available. Here we can see what reports are available for our user. This specific user has completed the Canadian Career Interest Profiler. To generate, simply click the Generate link next to the report name. You will be taken to a confirmation page that will tell you the cost of generating this report, as well as how many credits you currently have. If everything looks correct, click on Generate and your credits will be automatically deducted. Generation may take up to 1 minute to process. We have now successfully generated our first report. We can now view and download the report by clicking on the View link. We can also email the report to our user or any email we wish by clicking on the email link. 4. Batch generation. Your administration portal has the ability to generate multiple reports at the same time. We call this batch generation, and we will now show you how to use this great time-saving feature. To begin, click on Batch Generation under the Users menu. Similar to the View Users page, we are presented with a form to find users. Using the drop-down, select the report you wish to batch generate. Narrow down users by your desired time frame and click Find Users. A list of users will be displayed. Only users that have completed the test will have a checkbox beside their name. You can also see if they have completed a test by looking under the Test Status column. Put a checkmark beside all users for whom you want to generate a report. Then click Review Order. Take a minute to review your batch generation order. You will see the number of reports to be generated, the cost of each report, and how many credits you currently have available. If you have many reports to be generated, I recommend entering your email address. All reports will then be emailed directly to you for you to quickly view. If everything looks correct, click Begin Generation. Your reports are now being generated. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our other video tutorials which will explain how to use many of the features in your administration portal.